In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the most realistic studio quality professional picture of yourself using ChatGPT. You don't need to hire a photographer or go to any studio to get a professional picture. You can just do this while you are chilling, or if you are like me and you want to see how you look in different outfits or in different environments, then you should really watch these videos to the end. Now, the first thing you want to do is to get a picture of yourself. What we are going to do first is to go to a new chat in ChatGPT and ask it to give us some concept. Now, you want to be detailed in your prompt as possible. Tell the chat what you want to use the images for, as to guide it to give you specialized concept. But if you do not have plans to use the image for anything, just ask it to give you concept of professional images using your face. Now, we are going to look for the concept first before we give it our picture, right? So the first step is to go and ask it for concepts. Whenever you're doing anything with AI chat models, always remember that the key to getting a very good result is to be as detailed as possible. So you want to be very detailed as to what you want to use it for. If you are a baker and you want to use it for some ad or for your flyer, be as detailed as possible. For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to be using this picture and we are going to be using it as a profile picture. You can do whatever you want with this method. You can see that it gave me a lot of options, even with pictorial example, even though I have not uploaded my picture yet. So it gave me the modern creator, this is like the suggested one. Then it gave me AI workspace, it gave this. The reason why it's giving this specialized result is because I was detailed as to what I want to use it for. I did not just ask it to suggest concept for a professional picture. I said suggest concept for a professional picture to be used as a profile picture. So please just be very detailed. And the next thing you want to do is to upload your picture to the chat and ask it to create your profile picture or whatever picture you want to create using the method you've chosen or the concept you've chosen. And for this one, we are using the first concept. So we are going to say, using my picture as a reference, create a profile picture using the first concept. And then you let it cook. Now look at that result. Like, if you notice, the original image I gave it had a small held tilt, and because of that the result had the same tilt as well. What you want to do is, when you are giving it your reference, make sure the reference has the same expression as what you would want. Let's say you want to be happy, you wouldn't upload a picture of you sad. You wouldn't want the AI to start editing your expressions. That will give it a very big margin to change what you look like to something else. Now make sure the picture you are using is as close to the results you want as possible. For this is very cool for a profile picture, but if you want something else, make sure the picture matches with what you want to do. Although the prompts I used were not much, you see that we're able to do something very useful with it. So if you want this prompt, I can put it in the comment section and pin it for you. Just let me know if you want this prompt. If this is your first time seeing me, you would want to subscribe, because I usually make videos like this that helps you save funds, especially as a creator, a business person, or just someone who likes to explore AI tools. But for now, check this out.